Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel, and this time we discuss about percentage composition, and clearly we see this topic with some examples, and right now you can get a clear idea about how to calculate the percentage composition of the different elements that are present in a compound. So let's start our example with example the explanation of what is percentage composition. Percentage composition is the part where we calculate the percentage of each element that is present in a compound, because a compound is made up of more than one substance, means more than one kind of atoms, and if we want to calculate the percentage of each atom or each type of substance present in the compound, then it is the process called percentage composition for calculating the percentage of each element that is present in the given compound or molecule. For example, in short we can see that in water two elements are present. The one element is hydrogen, another element is oxygen. So now question is, how much percentage of hydrogen is present in water and how much percentage of oxygen is present in water. So this is called percentage composition, because water contains hydrogens and oxygen. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. So for this reason we can calculate the percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen in water molecule. So for this calculation, what we do, the step is, at first you have to calculate the molecular weight of water. You know the molecular weight of water is 1 into 2 plus 16, that is total 18. Okay, so molecular weight calculation is the first step for percentage composition or mass percentage. You can also say it as mass percentage calculation. For mass percentage of each component or percentage of each component calculation, what you have to do first, you have to do molecular weight calculation, and we calculate here the molecular weight of water is becoming 18. Now the percentage of hydrogen in this water molecule is the weight of hydrogen that is present in the one molecule of water. It is 2 gram is the weight of hydrogen in one molecular form of water, and the total number of total weight of the water molecule is 18 gram into 100 into 100. So it is 9, and 100 by 9, and for percentage of oxygen you have to do oxygen amount in water. The oxygen amount in water is 16 gram divided by 18 gram into 100. Okay, so it is 8 9, so it is 800 by divided by 9. Okay, so this is 100 divided by 9, and this is 800 divided by 9. If we divide this thing, we get the percentage as 10. So and this one as 7280, that means again it is 72. Okay, so we got our percentage. It is the oxygen is present 11.11% and the hydrogen is present 11.11%, 88.88%. It is the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in water. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the percentage of any other substance composition. For example, we take another example where we can see how to calculate the percentage of each component in the compound. Suppose we take sodium sulfate. And another point that you have to understand, that in H2O, when hydrogen percentage is calculated, suppose we know that percentage of hydrogen is 11.11%. So for percentage of oxygen, we can minus it from 100, because the both elements, if we add up the both element percentage, then that must be equal to 100. So by minusing it from 100, you also can calculate the result, percentage of oxygen. So now the question is, each composition that are present in sodium sulfate, you have to calculate that each composition that are present in sodium sulfate. So for this calculation, you have to calculate the molecular weight its first, and its molecular weight is 23 into 2, because 2 is the 23 is the atomic mass of sodium, and sulfur is 32 gram and oxygen is 16 into 4, and if we make the total 646 plus 32 plus 64, so the overall result is 142. It is the total molecular weight, means total, not total, it is the molecular weight of sodium sulfate. After that, you have to find the percentage of each element, and for percentage of sodium, what we have to do, sodium is present 2 atoms per formula, so therefore that is the 46 gram. 46 by total weight 142 into 100. The result you can calculate. This is the percentage of sodium. The percentage of sulfur, for percentage of sulfur, what you have to do, the sulfur present in the compound is 32 and divided by 142 into 100. So in this way you can calculate the percentage of sulfur, and after calculating the percentage of sulfur and sodium, you can minus it from 100, and the result will be the percentage of oxygen. Or you can calculate the percentage of oxygen as percentage of oxygen. Amount of oxygen here is 64 gram, so 64 by the molecular weight is 142 into 100. In this way you can calculate the percentage of oxygen here. Okay, percentage of oxygen by 64 and molecular mass into 100. So in this way you can calculate the percentage composition of each elements that are present in a compound or molecule. What you have to do first, the first step is you have to calculate the molecular mass of the compound or molecule. Then for the respective percentage of element, you have to place the weight of the element present in the compound divided by its molecular weight into 100, and in this way the percentage of each element can be calculated very simply. So this is the topic, I discussed this topic. I think you understand this topic well. If you have any queries, then ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video is useful, then give a like and try to view this type of educational videos, because I upload this type of educational videos continually. And don't forget to subscribe this channel.